tornado forming on the horizon. I can't tell if it wants to kill me or be my friend. Each time I look away, it gets a little bit closer. It's made of garden hose, why does that make it worse? Trying to run away seems like learning how to run. The world is ending, they keep complaining. Oh well, rest will have the party. I think she's dying, and no one's trying to save her. Never mind, I'm on the moon now. I could have stayed here longer. Make out with my famous crush. Makes no sense whatsoever. I'm scared the sun might bite us. Back at school now and everyone's bummed, cause today is the day that the sun's supposed to kill everyone. But no one knows exactly how or when it'll happen. This should be terrifying, why is no one crying? I think the sun's got a gun and there's nowhere to hide or run. The world is ending, they keep complaining. Oh well, let's still have the party. I think she's dying, and no one's trying to save her. Never mind, I'm on the moon now. I could have stayed here longer. Make out with my famous crush. Makes no sense whatsoever. I'm scared the sun might bite us.
That was epic!
Boom. Where we going?
Where we going?
Yeah.
We're going to live at the box. We've just been living the dream, squatting in a house. And now we're going to see if we can squat into a few barrels.
Mate.
Is it actually?
Squatting 101, always remove the toilet.
Oh no, actually I thought I flushed.
Did we have any fold in the toilet?
There was fold, but I tried to fold and then I cracked under pressure because my fold was terrible. Yeah, but how do you fold? They like a dove going on.
No, just hide all over it. No, we're going to be in jail if you don't fucking... There's an underfold.
They went under.
You got to go under.
No, my one had like a canary thing going on. A crane.
Now this is what throws me. This is how they must have had squatters before.
So you're too deep now. Now you've got to you got to lose that piece, or you've got to fold it because you've crinkled the shit out of it.
If you use too much paper, there's not enough weight.
Yeah, but that one's dead to you now. If you can't just put that back because they know someone's been tampering. That's the cops now. As is water bills, gardener, weed person, fines.
Right.
I don't even know what that means.
Sort your life out. No wonder you're leaving fucking evidence. Jesus.
Check this out. Sparrows. On dark, here comes one. this? The old spit on the phone trick. Jesus, that is wet. Alright, I'm gonna put it away, get out my real camera. Yeah. Oh, sick! Yes! Oh, don't spit on me! Classic box. I've got a little bit of spray on my lens from Max's one. How you been?
Yeah, not bad, yourself?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Deja vu? Yeah. Oh no! Drop knee, they reckon. It is back.
Very happy that it's off your
Are you happy about them bait fish coming right at you?
They won't eat nothing.
Something chasing them though. Look at them all jumping. Well, this next one after this could be a cracker. I'm gonna get on my bike a little bit. Start putting out. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah. That is sick. Let's go. Dude, that was mental. Fuck yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, I left my tripod thing at your house, I think. Little sitch on the Wayne Gretzky early box. Sun's about to peak. We have backdoor action. Yeah. The sunrise. And there's the competition. Overlapping heats, I'm told. Bit of backside action, they reckon. Jezza just got the other one, and who we got? Oh, El Clampo. Man, it's relentless. Yeah, Jezza. Good man. Oh! How is the sunrise this morning for the night dog? Nate's looking. He wants it. Oh, that's a wetter. That's a big wetter. My camera is wet on the back. Oh, pin drop. Escape and spit. I'm gonna dry this camera now. Oh, deep rider. Yeah, there's a couple of fun ones. The boys rigged out on the same ski. Oh, you got your little trail going. Nate dog. Could be day done. Day done. He's out. He's out. Oh shit. Oh, you're gonna wet me. Ah! You're right. Yeah, Max. Yeah. Oh, it's Viv. The big Viv. Must be like 4 weeks from a broken back. And he reckons he's getting one. How long since your injury? 9 weeks. I was exaggerating it for you. I ran with 4, but it feels like 4 weeks. Stand and deliver. Oh, this next one. Pull this back a bit. Oh. Yo! That's a sick one. Boys. Oh. Let's go, Trad. Yeah. Trad Stone. Yeah, boy. That is getting back on the horse. Oh. Shell good? Classic blocks.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
How'd that feel?
Amazing, man.
Body held up.
Yeah, do that.
Let's go. Yeah, Blaz. What's on the menu?
Couple of nugs. Maybe some chips.
Can we get it launched too?
I reckon it's a cracking.
Let's do it. Oh, heavy one. That was sick. Let's go. That was sick. Absolutely nailed it. Oh, he's flipped over your head, Tradstone. That was... What, dismount? No takers. That's sick. Yeah. That was nuts! Next one. Trad, game plan, pick off the biggest south one. Look at these three. Feast, Chippo, Jano. Hashing it out. That was sick. Trad Stone's got the paddle. Let's go. That's a sick one, Max. That is the first wave in a long time. Oi! See, boys. The old board maker trick. Oh, that's fucked. Oh! It's gonna wet me. I had to flip to the dry side. Ay, 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 ay. There you go. There you go. Hey! How'd your clips look this morning? They come out good? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Oh! Lay back. Let's go. Yeah. Oh! Lay back. Nate dog. Yeah, nice. Just getting piped. Yeah, nice. We got Zord up there with the creatine gummy drop. Straight into Nate's mouth. That's almost wave of the day. Oh, that was sick. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Oh, this bit's coming at me. That's a good wave though. We'll take that. Oh, that fucking wind. Oh! That was skits. Fucking wind. Oh! That was skits. Oh! Oh, El Clampo. Oh, vicious. Oh! 10-year-old Grommy, killing it.
Wow, yeah.
Caity Simmers. He just paddled all the way from Marks. Shit. Oh! There's a chick in there. What? Here? What? Here? What the hell? Oh! What? That was epic! What the hell? Oh! What? What's that? Oh! Oh! That was so skit. You're like jumping over shit, eh? Yes! That was sick! Yes! Yes. Yes.
Massive school of salmon. Been bugging me below. My friend's got the drone up in the air and he said he could see him, so hopefully he can see him.
Salmon. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Oh, there's a bomb behind it. Let's go. Oh. Wow. That's a good effort. What? Oh. Just blasted. Wow. Apologies for the focus at the start of that. Catch it. That is all she wrote, I think. It's about to be onshore. Oh shit, one last one, hang on. That was actually sick. That was actually a sick one. Sorry, I was trying to film an outro. And we got Colapintos getting pitted. That's been a sick day. Apologies for so I don't have a housing. So a lot of times when it spits, I just got to move my camera out of the way. But it's been a good day out here. A lot of variety. So I'm going to head back now. It's onshore. Go, 1, 2, 3, go! Careful, okay? Green, guys! Yeah, boy.